Welcome to Investor Web, the channel that brings you insightful information on various industries and investment opportunities. We're here to illuminate the corners of the business world, making it easier for you to navigate your investment journey. Today, we are setting our sights on a technology that's truly shaping the future: 3D printing. It's more than just creating plastic models and prototypes. But how much do you really know about this industry? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of 3D printing, uncovering 10 things you probably didn't know. The 3D printing industry is not as new as you might think. Born in the early 80s, it's been silently revolutionizing the manufacturing world. The basic concept, simple yet mind-boggling. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, builds objects layer by layer from the bottom up, directly from a digital file. It's like crafting a sculpture, but instead of chiseling away, you're adding material bit by bit. Over the years, this technology has been adopted across diverse sectors. From automotive to healthcare, fashion to food, 3D printing has been transforming how we create and consume. And it's not just about plastic trinkets. Today, we're 3D printing in metal, ceramics, and even human cells. The adoption of 3D printing has been a journey of trial and triumph, of innovation and imagination. It's a testament to human ingenuity, breaking barriers of what's possible in manufacturing, but that's just scratching the surface. Let's delve deeper. You might be surprised to learn how 3D printing is revolutionizing the medical field. This technological marvel is not just about intricate designs and fancy prototypes. It's about saving lives, improving health, and redefining the boundaries of medicine. Imagine a world where a heart surgeon can rehearse a complex surgery on a 3D printed replica of a patient's heart. Think about the possibilities of custom-designed prosthetics, tailored to an individual's unique body and needs, all thanks to 3D printing. The marvels don't stop there. We're stepping into an era where bioprinting, a subset of 3D printing, is creating living tissues and organs. Yes, actual functioning organs. Scientists are already experimenting with 3D printed kidneys, liver tissues, and even heart tissues. This could mean a world where the agonizing wait for organ transplants could become a thing of the past. Imagine a future where organ donors are no longer needed thanks to 3D printing. From miniature models to life-size structures, 3D printing is making waves in the construction industry. This isn't your everyday construction. We're talking about buildings being printed layer by layer, like an intricate cake being frosted. The magic lies in the printer, a colossal machine that extrudes a concrete mixture, creating walls and structures one meticulous layer at a time. The benefits are manifold. Speed is a game changer. A house can be printed in under 24 hours with less waste and a smaller carbon footprint than traditional methods. Cost effectiveness is another boon, with savings in labor and materials. With 3D printing, complex designs become feasible, opening up a whole new world of architectural possibilities. From residential houses to bridges and even a proposed lunar base, the applications are as vast as our imagination. This technology is poised to revolutionize the construction industry, making it more sustainable, efficient, and creative. Next up, we have something that you might not have thought possible. Did you know that your next meal could be 3D printed? Yes, you heard it right. 3D printing is revolutionizing the food industry in ways more than one. Imagine chomping down on a perfectly shaped, intricately designed piece of chocolate, all thanks to 3D printing. The technology allows chefs and food manufacturers to create complex designs and shapes that would be nearly impossible to achieve by hand. It's not just about aesthetics, though. 3D printing can also help in creating food with specific nutritional requirements, a boon for those with dietary restrictions. Imagine having a meal that not only looks good but is also tailored to your nutritional needs. From 3D printed pasta to burgers, the technology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the kitchen. The food industry is just beginning to explore the potential of 3D printing, but the possibilities are endless. Exciting, isn't it? But hold on, there's more. Fashion is not left behind in the 3D printing revolution. Picture this: a world where you can design your own clothes, right down to the intricate details, and have them printed in front of your eyes. Welcome to the future of fashion, made possible by 3D printing. This technology is transforming the industry, allowing designers to break free from traditional manufacturing constraints and create unique, complex designs that were previously impossible. But it's not just about aesthetics. 3D printing is also making fashion more sustainable. Instead of producing masses of garments that may end up in landfills, clothes can now be printed on demand, significantly reducing waste. Moreover, 3D printing is fostering a new era of customization. Imagine having clothes that fit perfectly because they're printed specifically for your body measurements. Finally, the use of biodegradable materials in 3D printing opens up a new frontier for eco-friendly fashion. From the runway to your wardrobe, the possibilities are endless. 3D printing is not just earthbound, it's reaching for the stars. Now, let's rocket our way into the cosmos and explore how 3D printing is revolutionizing space travel and exploration. NASA, alongside other global space agencies, is harnessing the power of 3D printing to create tools and parts right in space. Imagine the possibilities. Instead of packing every single tool or spare part, astronauts could produce them on demand, saving valuable cargo space for other essentials. The International Space Station has already welcomed its first 3D printer. This technological marvel has successfully printed a ratchet wrench, demonstrating the practicality of making what you need when you need it, even in zero gravity. Meanwhile, back on Earth, engineers are exploring the potential of 3D printing entire satellites. This could significantly reduce production time and costs, making space exploration more accessible than ever. So whether it's a simple wrench or a sophisticated satellite, 3D printing is making space travel more efficient and sustainable. 3D printing is truly out of this world. 3D printing has the potential to be more environmentally friendly than traditional manufacturing methods. Now you might be wondering how. Let's delve into it. Firstly, 3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing. This means that it adds material layer by layer to create an object, unlike traditional methods that cut away material, generating waste. This results in a significant reduction in material waste. Secondly, 3D printing can also be energy efficient. Traditional manufacturing often involves transporting goods across various stages of production, contributing to carbon emissions. With 3D printing, an object can be created in one place, reducing the need for transportation and, subsequently, energy consumption. Moreover, 3D printing allows for the use of recycled materials. This opens up a world of possibilities for upcycling, reducing the need for new material production, and decreasing our carbon footprint. In essence, 3D printing is not just transforming how we make things, but also how we think about sustainability. 3D printing could be a game changer in our fight against climate change. Oh, with all these advancements, what does the future hold for 3D printing? As we scan the horizon, 3D printing promises to be a game changer in nearly every field you can imagine. From creating precise and personalized medicine to building homes at record speed, the potential applications are staggering. Imagine a future where you can print a replacement for a broken household item right at home, or where architects can design and print complex structures that were once thought impossible. The fashion industry could also experience a revolution, with bespoke clothes printed to fit individual body shapes perfectly. In the realm of space exploration, we could see 3D printing technology used to construct habitats on other planets, utilizing local resources. This could significantly reduce the costs and risks associated with space travel. And let's not forget the environmental impact. With 3D printing, we can create objects using just the amount of material needed, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. The future is not just 3D, it's printed. So there you have it, 10 things you didn't know about the 3D printing industry. We've covered some remarkable ground, haven't we? From the basics of 3D printing, we delved into how this technology is revolutionizing diverse sectors. We saw how 3D printing in medicine is creating a world where bespoke prosthetics and bioprinted organs could become commonplace. We discovered the role of 3D printing in construction, how it's making housing more accessible, and even conjuring up buildings on Mars. Yes, 3D printing in space, isn't that something? We also dived into the exciting world of 3D printed food and the possibility of having a personalized diet plan at your fingertips. And let's not forget the fashion industry, where 3D printing is pushing boundaries, bringing designs to life that were once thought impossible. We also considered the environmental implications of 3D printing. The promise of less waste and more efficient production methods certainly does paint a greener future. Finally, we peered into the crystal ball to glimpse the future of 3D printing. With advancements in technology and wider acceptance, the possibilities seem endless. Each of these points underscores the transformative power of 3D printing. It's not just about making things, it's about reshaping industries, improving lives, and reimagining what's possible. Thanks for joining us on Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this. Until next time, keep exploring.